It's easy to be blind for the things that are going on underneath the surface. And the way that surveillance technologies are now cataloging people in ways unheard of before. And ideas of privacy and our legislative ideas of privacy is going out the window.
Jan Nolin is a professor in library and information science and responsible for the research area Social Media Studies at the University of Borås in Sweden.
My father always told me never to be an academic, but it's, well, you flow with the parental wave in some sense. And I found that the academy and research is something that fulfills my desire for exploration and developing my mind.
Library and information science is an academic discipline with many different orientations, such as information retrieval and informatics. With so much happening in the field of digital technology, it is an interesting and exciting time for this research area. Professor Jan Nolin, who considers himself to be an internet researcher, is quite busy these days.
I like the concept internet time. Internet time is like dog years. So one calendar year contains 7 internet years, or something like that. It moves that quickly. So we have internet-based corporations such as Google and Facebook, Apple and so on, which are very young in corporation years, calendar years, but in internet time are old dogs.
Social media studies is an interdisciplinary research area at the University of Borås's School of Library and Information Science. The purpose of social media study is to investigate how people today are using social media to transform the production, consumption, seeking, and sharing of information.
Social media can work as a great equalizer in power, but it can also work as a way of extending more power, more surveillance. There is a lot of aggregation of data on individuals going on by a number of corporations, and they're utilizing this in order to sell you exactly the kind of advertisement that they think you're interested in. As an effect of this, we are looking at a very different way of finding information. The information finds us. So information retrieval is kind of turned on its head. It is seen as possible to understand human beings through automatic technical artificial intelligence.
If you look at how our ways of seeking, receiving, and sharing information have changed over the recent decades, it is safe to say that this research area is going to be in the spotlight for many years to come.
The biggest challenge both for my area of social media studies and library information science is getting more space. My sense is that this is the place to be for 21st century studies, critical studies of some sort of information society. There's so much empirical data available, so there's really mostly a lack of theoretical understanding.